Hello everyone, my name is Pvt Ltd. I completed my graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Bangalore Institute of Technology. So after completing my graduation, I joined to Cranes Varsity in order to strengthen my technical knowledge in the field of embedded domain as well as the automotive. So after joining the Cranes Varsity, I have learned the programming languages from beginner to advanced level. So this course have built a strong foundation towards my career as well as towards the automotive and embedded domain, both in theoretically as well as the practically. And the faculties that were teaching very nice in a good way, and they were teaching in a very deep manner such as C and C++ and embedded C also, and they have given many real-time projects, and it was like the project was most related to the industry and all. So I would say thank you for the Cranes Varsity for giving this opportunity, and from the Cranes they have been given a placement opportunity from Synedyne Systems Pvt, and the opportunity is also good. So thank you, Cranes.